Hi, I'm Diana, and I was given this office chair mat in return for this video, so I'm going to show you what it looks like under my desk, and let's go over some of the features. So first of all, this is 36 by 48 inches. This is the black color. It also comes in gray. It has an anti-slip backing on here, as you can see, and the pattern on the front here is anti-scratch. In fact, I'll just take a screwdriver and show you that it's not gonna, it doesn't scratch at all, actually. It has an overlocking edge, as you can see there, and it's going to wipe clean if you need to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and roll it under my desk and show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like under my chair. As you can see, it looks really nice. It lays flat. My chair rolls over it very smoothly. In fact, I love the way my chair feels on it. It has kind of a shock absorption feel to it. So if you're looking for a nice desk mat, definitely check this one out. I really like it.